Jamaica Scorpions captain John Campbell has called on his team to be patient when they take on Barbados Pride in the final of the regional Super 50 Cup on Saturday. Jermaine Brown has our preview.
The Jamaica Scorpions will be aiming for a second regional Super 50 Cup title in the last 3 years when they battle Barbados Pride in the final on Saturday at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad. The Jamaican franchise are coming off a dramatic 107-run win over the Leeward Islands Hurricanes in their semi-final on Thursday. The Scorpions recovered from 138 for 7 to post an impressive 352 for 9. The recovery effort was masterminded by mid-order batter Javel Glenn, who slammed an undefeated maiden century 114, which included 6 sixes and 10 fours. He also shared in an 8th wicket stand of 124 with Javor Royal, who made 73, including 6 sixes and 6 fours. Skipper John Campbell weighed in with 77, while Kurt McKenzie added 48. In reply, the Hurricanes were bowled out for 245 in 35.4 overs. Marquina Minley claimed 4 for 46, and the player of the match, Royal, 3 for 37. Campbell assessed their performance.
I mean, it's just basically different players stepping up at different times. Blackwood has been really good for us this series. Unfortunately, he didn't get a score today, but other people put their hands up. And I mean, both Royal and Javel Glenn, that was something special. I think we were 120 for 6, and the way that they came back and played and got us that 350 was remarkable.
And as for his own performance,
I was just trying to play each ball on its merit. I mean, I know that once I'm there, I'll put pressure on the opposing team, so I just tried to stay there as long as possible.
The Scorpions had lost to the Pride in their opening game of the tournament, and Campbell says that they have learned from that defeat and explains the approach for Saturday's championship final.
I mean, I can't say for now, but we just need to play simple and basic cricket, what we've been doing. Just do the good things for long periods and we'll be fine.
The Scorpions and the Pride have each won 8 regional 50-over titles. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.